Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss probability distribution of random variable. So if I just check one example like number of hits in a simultaneous throw of or rather toss of 3 coins. So if I toss 3 coins, what are the outcomes I will get? Already I have discussed this in before one video. So if you wish, you may check that. If you have any doubt how these things are coming. So these are the outcomes. This is the 5th outcome. This is my 6th outcome. This is my 7th outcome, and this will be my 8th outcome. So as I toss a coin, I will get 2 outcomes. So 3 coins if I toss, 2 to the power 3, total 8 outcome already is there. Now number of hits, if I will take this number of hits part as xi, the variable as xi. So what are the value of a value xi can take? First, if I take 0 hits, what are the option we have for 0 hit? This is the 0 hit case. So what is the probability that we have? That is 1 divided by 8, because out of 8 cases this one case is coming. Now next is 1 hit. Just check 1 hit. How many cases are coming for 1 hit? 1 case, and then 2 case and 3 case. 3 favorable cases, so probability will be 3 divided by 8, right? The next one is 2 hits. 2 hits. What are the cases? 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 outcomes again, so probability will be 3 divided by 8. And 3 hits, we have only 1 outcome, so probability will be 1 divided by 8. So after writing this, please do check what is your summation, this thing, or summation pi rather, only pi. So p of xi or rather p this thing. So this will be always equals to 1, because probability will be equal, sum of the probability of all the outcomes will be equals to 1. Now this, if I will find out further, if I will proceed for to find out the mean, if I find out pi xi, it will be 0. This I am taking is only pi only. It will be easier for you. So this will be 3 divided by 8, 6 divided by 8. This will be 3 divided by 8. After this, you will just take out their sum. It is summation pi xi equals to 12 divided by 8. As I said already before, please don't simplify this kind of term, because if you simplify again when you will add, you have to take the LCM. Please be very careful about this kind of thing. Next one, pi xi square. So this will be 0, this will be 3 divided by 8. No change in there. So this will be 12 divided by 8. This will be 9 divided by 8. So now if I will just add them, summation pi xi square is equals to 24 divided by 8, which is 3 only. Now what is the formula for mean? Mean we can write also as x bar. You can also write that ex, that will be summation pi xi. This is p of xi. Please be very careful. This is not pi xi. This is summation. You can simply write summation pi or summation p of xi. I have taken this. This is summation pi xi divided by summation pi. If I will take this as summation pi, so this will be 12 divided by 8 divided by 1. So if you simplify, you will get 3 divided by 2. Now if we need to find out standard deviation of x. Standard deviation of x, the formula will be summation pi xi square minus summation of pi xi whole square, and then the root sign will come. Well, if you know the formula for standard deviation, just here we are not dividing by summation pi, because we know summation pi is equals to 1. So it will be root over of 3 minus, this will be 3 divided by 2 whole square. So root over of 3 minus 9 by 4, 12 minus, this is root 3 divided by 2. If you simplify, answer you will get 0.87, right? And what is, if I further proceed and ask what is variance of x? Variance of x is standard deviation whole square. So if I find out variance of x, we will find the whole square of this. The answer is 3 divided by 4. Okay. So one more example if I will discuss. This time my probability distribution is given. Previously we had from the distribution. Now the distribution is given for the next sum xi and pi, that is given. Xi is given minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the pi's are given as 0.1, k, and this is 0.2, this is 2k, this is 0.3, and this is k. What will be the sum of pi? Sum of pi we know that will be always equals to 1. So from there, if I'll add them, I will get 0.1, 0.3, 0.6. So 0.6 plus k, 3k, 4k plus 4k is equals to 1. So 4k equals to 0.61 minus 0.6 rather, that is 0.4. So k is also equals to 0.1. So as we got k equals to 0.1, this will be 0.1, this will be 0.2, and this will be 0.1, right? So now further, if I proceed and try to draw the table like the previous one, so first case that we will find it out, that is pixi. What will be pixi? If I just rub this thing, because I need to extend the table over there. So first pixi, that will be, just check, minus 0.2, this will be minus 0.1, this will be 0, this will be 0.2, this will be 0.6, this will be 0.3. So if I will add this, then summation pixi is equals to 9 and 11, 10, 0.8. Now next one, pixi square, already I had done one sum like this, so hopefully you will understand. So this will be 0.2, this will be 0.1, no, this will be 2 square 4, so 0.4 this one will be. So 0.1, I am just calculating on this two table. This kind of calculation often we make mistakes. So this will be again 0.2, 4 3 is 12, 1.2, 9, so 0.9. So if I'll add them, I will get summation pixi square equals to 5 to 7, 1.6, that is 2.8. So further, if I proceed and calculate mean, my mean will be summation pixi divided by summation pi. What is summation pi? 1 you know. So mean will be equals to 0.8. If I calculate for variance of x, that will be, if I use the formula properly, that will be 2.8. Already I wrote the formula over there, minus this whole square. So 2.8 minus 0.64, hence the answer will be 2.16. And if anyone will ask for standard deviation of x, so this will be root over of 2.16. So that's it. In the next video, I will discuss one more important problem based on this probability of random variable. I hope you understood. Still, that video that is going to help you. Thank you.